The most fun you can have on a racetrack is one with elevation changes. Now, I'm Ron. I've been tracking for over 20 years now. Started on motorcycles and changed over to cars after I got married and I got kids. I have a 2021 Porsche Cayman. This is the base model with a tune, so it's about 350 horsepower. And what I'm going to demonstrate in this video is how elevation changes are the most fun on a track. Now, I'm based in Dallas, so I'm lucky to have a lot of Texas tracks near me, and a lot of these tracks are great for beginners. What I mean is lots of runoff, visibility through the corner is very good, and that builds confidence as you explore going onto the track. However, watch with me as I talk through this 1.3 mile section of MSR Cresson. It's a local track to me, a little bit west of Fort Worth, and I think this track is a blast. I love running the 1.3 in addition to the 3.1, but let's watch this video together and we talk through some of the challenges of elevation. All right, so we come out of the pits here. We're coming onto the end of the first straight. This is a pretty dangerous runoff because it goes into a creek. It's a pretty steep fall off and there's a lot of big rocks, so we don't quite hit that at 10/10s, but coming down this hill is really fun. You really need to accelerate downhill, a little bit of left S, and tap the brakes just for this turn, and this is considered the back straight, so really giving it gas here, and then you got to brake hard for this. This is a left-hander uphill. For my car, it's small, it's mobile, and it really can rotate quickly, so I get on the gas and I'm oversteering the car to get it to turn, and we're heading uphill. Now this is where the fun starts. It's blind, you can't see, and luckily they put this white stripe down, but basically the idea is put your wheels on this stripe and make sure you've got that amount of turn in, otherwise you're going to shoot right off the tracks. Get a little bit of that weightlessness feeling in your gut, and then hit the toilet bowl. So here we'd want to come outside, come wide, cut it back, get early back on the gas. You've got to come out of this hill, out of the toilet bowl, up over this little bit of a straightaway, hard left turn back onto the front straight, and that's a lap on the 1.3. But you can see that the elevation changes really are what makes this fun. Coming downhill, coming uphill, the blind corners, and getting really that on-camber exit out of toilet bowl is really enjoyable. So if you're new to tracking, subscribe to this channel. I do lots of gear reviews and other things. I do track days throughout Texas. Follow along if you like the Porsche Cayman. I've got a couple of mods on this car. I have the Tune, Stage 1 Tune, and the Apex 19-inch wheels, in addition to Ferodo pads, and I think right now I have Motul brake fluid. But other than that, the car is stock. You'll notice that I do run with a Hans system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.